Dear value partners, welcome. Thank you for joining our Higold brand kitchen and bath product training section. I'm Hazel, your host today. In order to create a better experiences, please keep your mind silent during the speech and please feel free to type in your question anytime and we will answer your questions at the end of the speech together. Thank you again for your cooperation. Last time we talked about our sink BL and LS series and their key selling points. Today we are jumping right into how to pick a great faucet and what makes our original series stand out. And no time to waste, let's kick off this training section. So how do we break down what makes a great faucet? Well, we can look at a few key areas. The main materials it made from and the surface finish and the pull-out spout type material and of course the heart of it all and the cartridge. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at each one. When it comes to faucet body, the most common materials you will see are zinc alloy and stainless steel and the copper alloy. Now if we are ranking them for corrosion resistant, stainless steel and low lead brass are definitely at the top of the list, but each material has its own pros and cons, so let's quickly run through what you need to know. And this one has a low melting point and it is easy to flush and machine. But it has poor corrosion resistance in water, resulting in low faucet durability. And this one is the stainless steel and it is resistant to acid and corrosion, being lead-free and it will not contaminate the water supply. And additionally, it has relatively low processing costs, but it is relatively expensive and offers limiting design options. And this one, it is less expensive than the high-quality 304 stainless steel, and its copper ion have antibacterial properties. And lead is typically added to facilitate the machine of the brass, and however, lead can leach into the water flowing through the faucet, contaminating the water supply. And in conclusion, in this chart, we recommend to choose a 304 stainless steel faucet for the kitchen and for other space such as the bathroom or balcony. Copper faucets are suggested. And the next one is by surface finish. You can see on the front there are 5 common surface finish. Of course, different surface finish can make a product look or color turn out differently. For example, these two are all the BM 4.0 product, but the different processing give them their own unique color. And this one is the black and this one is the gray. And see, this advantage is uniform coating with excellent texture, luster, and corrosion resistance. But if there are poor craftsmanship, can lead to peeling and poor durability. And this PVD harder and more corrosion resistant than this one, and offers high temperature resistance, good implant strength, excellent abrasion resistance, durability, and is eco-friendly. But it is require advanced processing and equipment. And it is resist rust, improves wear resistance, harden and brighten the surface. But disadvantage is insolvency, thicken may cause micro cracks. And this is our BM 3.0 series and it is the baked enamel. Combine metal's strength with ceramic's beauty and smooth color stable and resistant to wear, deformation, and acid. But this one may higher cost. And this one is our brush finish. And it is good for fingerprint and water spot resistant, and easy to clean, but it is overly simplistic and perceived as low grade. And the next one is our Faucet classification by pull-out spout type and material. And the first one is the pull-out type, and this one is the gravity ball retraction, and our BN 1.0, 4.0, and 5.0 series are used this, and it is a simple mechanism and low cost, but it is a large under-sink footprint and incompatible with water filters and garbage disposals. And the spring retraction is in our BN 2.0 mini series and BN 3.0 series. And it is safe under sink space, and it is different from this one and ideal for kitchen with water filters and garbage disposals. But it is short-reach and prone to damage from overextension and weaken auto restart over time and high cost. And from the materials of the hose, nylon pull-out hose is abrasion acid resistant and flexible and with extending lifespan, but it is perceived as low quality. And this metal pull-out hose, it is superior hand-free compared with this one, but the metal hose prone to disconnection and planting wear from repeating use. And the last one is by the core materials. All of our BN series are used the ceramic valve core. And the most wide used faucet valve core on the market is the high-quality ceramic valve core, which offers heat resistant and wear resistant and corrosion resistant, and minimal deformation. It is also leak resistant and has a relatively long shelf life, but it has certain requirements for water quality, as relatively poor water quality can affect its shelf life. And the next one is the stainless steel valve core. It has a low requirement for the operating environment, is generally resistant, and offers a relatively long serve time. And the product requires specific water quality standards, and poor water conditions may compromise its lifespan. And the next part is introduce our BN series kitchen faucet. BN is our original faucet series and is a perfect match with our sinks. They work together seamlessly. And this one is our BN 1.0 series. It even won the German IF Design Award in 2021, and now this award is a big deal, and it is founded back in 1954 by the IF Industrial Form Design and the well-established German institution, and it is recognized as one of the world's top 3 design awards, and alongside the Red Dot Awards and the IDEA Award. And now let's take a closer look at this award-winning product. Its design was inspired by the giraffe and known as the gentleman of the savannah. And the giraffe has a tall, elegant body that moves like a walking watchtower. And we have cleverly incorporated this graceful form into the faucet design and breaking down away from the ordinary and creating another classical masterpiece. And this faucet comes into 3 colors, and the style of the shell is the black glow finish. Its understated elegance. You can also choose from stainless steel and gun grade. And it features a near-pole aerator, which incorporates Swiss technology to create a smooth stream, and the ceramic cartridge is from leading Spanish manufacturer, and filtering impurities and reduce water noise and making the water safer for drinking. And the hose has a 300mm reach and a full of 360-degree rotation and making clean the entire sink a breeze, and this use the gravity return system means it automatically restarts when you let go. And it offers three convenient functions. See these two black buttons? And the top one is a pause button. Press it to stop the water instantly, and the bottom one lets you switch between the spray and everything stream modes. And we have also included a user-friendly hot and cold dual control design, and the smooth finish feels great to touch and resist the fingerprints. It boasts a level 10 source spray rating for top-notch corrosion and oil resistance, so daily cleaning is as easy as a quick wipe. And this dimension is 425 by 175 by 425 mm. And the height provides extra vertical space, so washing large items is no problem. And the next one is our BN 2.0 mini series. It is the magnetic 360 degrees wheel spout faucets. So as you can see, this looks quite different from the 1.0 series. It made from SUS 304 stainless steel and a PVD finish, which is great for resistant stains. And we have introduced a new swing-out hands drip art design that's a more ergonomic. And the upgraded spring load mechanism makes it easy to lift and place blades smoothly, no more jumping. But the biggest upgrade is the new magnetic docking technology. Just let go and it snaps right back into place. It still features a corrosion-resistant, drip-proof ceramic cartridge and the dual-mode spout remains and offering two design cleaning options. And it also comes in three color choice and the brush silver and gun gray and black gold to fit diverse kitchen styles. And the next one is our BN 3.0 faucets. First, take a look at its design. Does it remind you as a swan? That's right, its form is inspired by the elegant swan and the symbol and the nobility and loyalty, and creature that has inspired countless beauty stories in art, and Higold has blended this inspiration with Italian design and to create another masterpiece. And the handle is shaped like a swan's wing, opening and closing as smoothly as a bird spreading its wings, and offering both grace and precise control. And it still features a dual-mode spout and 360-degree rotation for full flexibility. What's made notable is the spring design, which is an abstract representation of a swan curved neck. A touch of poetic romance that lets beauty and love grow naturally in daily life, and the main body curves like a graceful waist, invoking the image of devoted partners standing by each other. And built with zinc closed copper body, zinc alloy handle, and a ceramic valve cartridge. It's fully reliable, and this model now comes in 4 colors, including a new wide open color and designed to bring a touch of a poetry to every home. And the next one is BN 4.0 series, represents a major visual breaking through. Its design and color scheme resemble piano keys, which is why we call it pianist at sea, and a beautiful blend of daily life and art. The handle incorporates smooth, rounded elements and making it not only pleasing but also more comfortable to use, and all of our products have dual mode spouts, and it comes standard with all essential features. And the ceramic cartridge and combines PVD and nano coatings and pull-down kitchen faucets with 360 degrees swivel. And last one is our BM 5.0 series. It is a Galaxy water flow kitchen faucet. Okay, let's look at this model. You can easily see it's based on BM 4.0 series, but we have added key features. A water fall spout, and it is really elevates the washing experience, makes it perfect for rinsing fruits and vegetables. And it keeps the water drop shade handle and which has the two independent control knobs, and they make switching water modes and adjust temperature. Flows super easy and precise, and it's a smart system for total control, and turn clockwise for water stream and turn counterclockwise for regular stream. Look at this picture. It features as a golden art design, which is all about combining beauty with science, and the spout has a precise 130-degree curve, and so the water flows outward at a much more practical angle. And if you compare it to a standard faucet on the right, where the water just falls straight down with a short reach, the difference is clear. And unlike traditional setups, the BM 5.0 is a 3-in-1 unit that only needs to a single hole for installation, and is super easy to fit and work with all kinds of the sink. And this one also uses the pull-down holes and 350 G weight for gravity return mechanism, which we have mentioned in last part. And this one also used the dual link cartridge for consistent performance and long-lasting durability. And that's all for our today's meeting, and our sales team will send you the relevant materials after the section. See you at the next training section. Thank you.